Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix lost connection to the PlayStation network error in the F122. So I will show you the three methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, we just need to check our internet connection that if it is stable or not. As this error is due to the poor internet connection, so you must try to change the network connection if available. So you must try to restart the router of your internet connection by turning on the airplane mode for a couple of the minutes and again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and restart your game. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. In case of the Wi-Fi, you just need to reboot your modem and again turn your Wi-Fi on and connect it to your system and again restart your game and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And our second method is that you have to just simply restart your PlayStation and restart your system one time, and after doing so your problem will be fixed. Sometimes this error occurs due to the server, so you must try to check that if the server is down, then you have to just wait for some time, about 24 to 48 hours, and your problem will be fixed by itself. But the common solution of this error is that you must try to check your internet connection and make sure that your internet connection must be stable. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.